friends, it's Miss Stephanie from Squixy.
Yay!
Today we're talking all about word problems. I don't know about you, but sometimes word problems can be very confusing.
Huh?
Thankfully, I've learned some strategies that have helped make solving word problems much easier.
Yay!
Some strategies include drawing a picture, making an input-output table, using inverse operations, drawing an array, bar model, or number line, and especially looking at keywords. Sometimes there will be questions that have two parts. I'd like to practice one of those together. Squixy loves cheese pizza. His favorite pizza comes from the oldest pizzeria in West Puffington, Puff's Palace. Every Friday, he orders the same thing, 3 large pizzas. That way he has leftovers for the weekend. If each pizza has 10 slices, how many slices does he have altogether? That's a lot of information. Let's see if we can eliminate some part. His favorite pizza comes from the oldest pizzeria. That's not really helpful to the question. I'm gonna cross it out. I need to know how much pizza he orders every Friday, but I don't need to know that he has leftovers every weekend. Let's cross that out. That's much better. Now I know how many pizzas he orders and how many slices are on each pizza. I can use repeated addition. Should I count 10 3 times or 3 10 times? My plan is to count 10 3 times. That's the same as 3 times 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10, or 3 times 10, that's 30. Squixy has 30 slices of pizza. This was a 2-part question, so let's see what the second part has to say. One Friday, Squixy and 5 of his friends got together to enjoy the finale of Puff's Got Talent. They were excited to vote for their favorite entertainer and enjoy the 3-hour show. Before it started, Squixy called in his usual order at Puff's Palace and set the table. If Squixy and his friends each have an equal amount of slices, how much will each Pufflian eat? This was a very long problem.
You're telling me. I had hair when you started.
Is there anything we can take away? They were excited to vote for their favorite entertainer and enjoy the 3-hour show. I can eliminate that because that doesn't offer any helpful information. Although there is a number, don't be fooled. Just because there's a number doesn't mean it's important. I do need to know that Squixy called in his usual order at Puff's Palace. We know that his usual order is 30 slices of pizza. If Squixy and his friends each have an equal amount of slices, how much will each Pufflian eat? I'm gonna have to divide this time. Squixy and 5 friends. So that means there are going to be 6 Pufflians eating. Oops.
Whoopsie!
Okay, here are the 6 Pufflians that will enjoy some pizza. There are 30 slices. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every Pufflian will have 5 slices of pizza. The expression looks like this: 30 divided by 6. The answer is 5. Remember, there are many ways to solve word problems. Sometimes there's extra information and you may have to read the problem more than once, and that's okay. Keep up the good work. Until next time, learn fast, learn fun.